Hello guys, I will teach you how to make rules on Discord server. Please watch my video carefully and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. First, go to your server. Go to your server settings. Go to enable community. Get start. Verified email required. Scan media content from all members. Next. Create one for me. Next. I agree and understand. Finish setup. And rules. Moderator only rules. It's up to you if you want to change that. Then go to safety setup, DM and spam protection setup. So if you want to add description here, you will add it. For me, it's just an example. That's it. Then get start. You will add rules. No bad words. Be nice. Then save. Then you will enable members must accept rules before they can talk or DM. Enabled it. So that's it. You have a rules now in Discord server. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.